Did you know there's an animal that can moonwalk? It's a wonderful little bird called a manikin bird. Do you want to see a manikin bird?
Yes.
Yeah.
Moonwalking. I think it will give you pleasure.
It gets funnier.
This night to remember.
Get ready. Isn't it great? That is the loveliest bird.
In very 70s yellow trousers.
Yeah. Oh, that's fantastic.
And that's all it does.
It's a delight. You just have a programme of animals doing, like, 80s dances. There's some worms doing body popping, you know.
What's he doing? Is he trying to lure?
Attract a female.
Attract a female.
Colour and movement.
Here's the best one. That's the one they like.
It's funnier every time.
It does. Let's hear it for the assured comedy stylings of the manikin bird. There you go. Well done. Well done, mannequin bird. Well in mark. They also make extraordinary sounds with their wings.
I thought you were saying they make extraordinary sandwiches.
Not sandwiches.
Actually, it tastes bloody good as well. Then when you've had enough, you just...
Amazing.